Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, border and butta collection in gold jari work. An excellent light pastel color saree, beautiful color, rare color too, yellow, with mild gold finish, pastel yellow we can call this. Beautiful buttas that is in gold jari, finely crafted handloom saree. We have a gold jari borders on both sides with a thin border in pallu color. Pallu is a bright color here. Peachy color, dark orange and pink mix, candy pink is mixed, so it is very bright. And you can see the beautiful gold jari work in the pallu with the plain blouse piece, both sides jari work. Combination is very pretty, pastel is dark, and we have beautiful. The saree comes with authentic silk marks jacket. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, border and butta collection in gold jari work. Beautiful dark purple color saree here with an excellent combination for the pallu. Violet mixed purple. You see the beautiful pink pinch also on the saree. Excellently done buttas. Beautifully handcrafted with gold jari borders in both sides. That is a 4-inch border with a thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a kasa color, mild green tinge half white. You can see the vertical zigzag lines. We also have a plain blouse piece in pallu color. Beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, border and butta collection in gold jari work. Beautiful design buttas in gold jari. You can see the color combination of the saree. An excellent bright combo. Copper sulphate blue color, light blue with a green mix. Beautiful color. You can see the buttas. Buttas are perfectly crafted, finely handcrafted saree without any flaws, and you can see the excellent butta border design with thin border in pallu color, and pallu is a light green color here, very different design. You see the hexagon pattern design weaved in the gold jari, and we have a plain blouse piece as in pallu color. Combination is very pretty. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, border and butta collection in gold jari work. Very beautiful pastel color saree here with a bright combination. Beautiful sandal mix half white color. Excellent pastel shade for pastel lovers with gold jari butta, beautifully crafted, finely done handloom saree. You can see the beautiful butta border design that is 4 inches done in gold jari, and we have a thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a very bright pink here, candy pink color, mild violet shade with gold jari work, and the blouse piece is also done in the same pallu color. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, border and butta collection in gold jari work. A very beautiful saree here, excellent and vibrant combination. Mehendi green color saree, bright mehendi green. It's a beautiful butta design, gold jari used for the buttas. A finely crafted saree, mild yellow tinge is there on the saree. It's very beautiful, glowing, and you can see the 4 inches gold jari border in both sides with thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a bright combination here, a rustic orange color, almost rust color with gold jari work in the pallu. And we have a plain blouse piece. Beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, border and butta collection. Beautiful combination colors here. Very different color saree. Lavender, dark shade lavender color. Excellently the gold jari buttas are done on the color. You can see the beautiful borders on both sides with the pink border in pallu color. And pallu is a light green here, radiant green color. The gold jari work, kodi type, beautifully done. Rich pallu with plain blouse piece. The combination is pretty, very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, border and butta collection in gold jari work. Excellent combination saree here. Traditional combination, royal blue saree with darker shade royal blue with gold jari buttas, rose pattern. Beautifully hand-weaved saree. You can see the gold jari borders on both sides with thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a dark pink here. Beautiful design. You can see the gold jari work dazzling on the pallu. Very pretty with plain blouse piece in both sides jari border. Combination is very beautiful. Attractive combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, border and butta collection in gold jari work. An excellent combination here. Very different lavender color the lighter bluish shade, beautiful color one. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are also exclusive design. Gold zari used here. Finely crafted handloom saree, and you can see a border, a 4 inches border in both sides in gold zari, along with the thin border in green. That is the pallu color. Pallu is a light green color. Beautiful hexagon pattern weaving done using gold zari. The pallu tassels are already made with plain blouse piece with both sides tissue gold zari border. Combination is very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double garbo, border and butta collection in gold zari work. An excellent color saree here, beautiful combination, dark bottle green color, beautiful color. Buttas are looking very vibrant on this color, gold zari butta, leaf design, and we have excellent zari borders on both sides with a thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a sandal color, half white sandal. And you can see the beautiful butta design in the pallu, excellently gold zari used here with plain blouse piece with both sides gold zari border. The combination is very unique with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double garbo, border and butta collection, beautiful combination colors, mehendi green color saree here, dark mehendi color, very beautiful green. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are also exclusive design, half leaf and half floral type. Beautiful design, and you can see the finely crafted handloom saree with the zari border and a thin border in pallu color. Pallu is a very different dual color here, red and dark orange mix, and you can see the beautiful gold zari work, very finely and rich pallu with a plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. Excellent combination with authentic silk.